All right, so here we have the square root of 50 times the square root of 98. Now they both have square roots, so we can combine them. 50 times 98, I get 4,900. And then I need to double check to see if the square root of 4,900, which is the perfect square root, which we can put that in our calculator, and we get an answer of 70, which is choice D. Number 2 here, we're dealing with fourth roots. Okay, so since they're both fourth roots, we can combine them. 2 times 27, I get 54, and then I still have my x to the third. Now, if I could simplify 54, I would, but I can't. Therefore, I get an answer of A. Number 3 here, we have the square root of 11 over 9. Okay, so we can break it up into the square root of 11 over the square root of 9. Square root of 11, we can't break that up. It's not a perfect square root. We get square root of 11. Square root of 9 is 3. So we get square root of 11 over 3, which is choice B. And the last one here, we have the square root of x to the 15th over the square root of 25, or over 25. So I'm going to break this up. Okay, now we know with the square root there's a little 2 here. 2 goes into 15 7 times, so I'm going to pull out x to the 7th, but there was still 1 left over, so 1 stays underneath the square root. So again, I said 2 went into 15 7 times, and I had 1 left over, and that's why there was still 1 left over underneath the square root. Over the square root of 25 is 5, therefore we get x to the 7th, square roots of x, all over 5, which is choice C.